Are you looking for interactive and experiential staff trainings to teach self-regulation and resiliency tools to anyone in trauma recovery? These short breaks are for patients and for clients. As importantly, these breaks support clinician self-care. Are you looking for unlimited program use with many support materials to use and to share? The recorded program format allows for continuing staff trainings and refreshers in meetings or for individual staff use. The format can be used for in-person trainings or for remote trainings. Are you looking for a program based on the foundational works of key researchers, including Drs. Bessel van der Kolk and Stephen Porges? Please join me, Yael Calhoun of Green Tree Yoga, for the Building Safety with Trauma-Informed Yoga Break program. It is based on the Building Safety book. You may want to pause here and read what practitioners are saying. This Train the Trainer program includes two 2-hour workshops, parts 1 and 2, to be used several weeks apart, and a 1-hour workshop to be used as a refresher or for individual use. Feedback has shown that presenting the 2-part workshop several weeks apart is quite helpful to healthcare professionals. Each workshop includes a Yoga for You practice, a narrated PowerPoint that includes background science, program information, yoga breaks, and group practices with scripts. Also included is an easy-to-use facilitator guide. Program support materials include many handouts, PowerPoint notes, practice scripts, and email follow-up materials. Also included is the Brain Bonus, 8 short modules in 3 formats. Short breaks to use and to share are also part of the support materials. And 1 copy of a flip chart for clinicians, a flip chart for clients and patients, and of the Building Safety with Trauma-Informed book are included. For program samples and to hear refugee and veteran testimonials, please visit this website. Please contact me with any questions. We are confident these tried and true materials can add some welcome tools to your program.